Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves. Now open it and then from the other side the same step. Press well. Now fold it to the crease. Then from the other side, press well. Now fold a triangular shape from both sides. Bend the tip. Press well. Again, according to the crease, fold the top. Open it. Now fold a leaf type shape. Then from the other side, now fold it outwards. Then the inner layer, again outwards. Fold it into a leaf shape again. Now from the other side, the same step. Fold it and press well. Now the inner one, again fold it. And making it thinner. Brilliant. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Now fold it as shown in the video. And then from the other side, the same step. Now press it from the creases. And then from the other side. Making this streamlined shape of the plane. Opening up. Pressing it as shown to make the tail of the plane. Pressing well. Fold it. Again press. Now shape it by folding it. And now opening and folding a bit inwards. Done. Press well. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Now fold the wings outwards. Then from the other side, the same step. Adding some details. Fixing the tail, and the plane is done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.